Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are ready to start coding in Python, Visual Studio Code is one of the absolute best places to do it. Today, we're walking through exactly how to install the Python language and the official extension right inside VS Code, so you can start building. Let's get right to it. All right, first things first, you need Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily grab the free version from Microsoft. Now, before VS Code can actually understand your code, you need to install the Python interpreter itself on your machine. You'll want to grab the latest installer for your operating system. When you open that downloaded setup file, here's a crucial tip. If you do not have administrator rights on your computer, make sure you uncheck the box that says Install Launcher for all users before you click Install. Once the installation finishes, you can quickly check if it worked. Open your Windows command prompt, type py space, a dash followed by a 3, space, 2 dashes, and the word version. Hit enter and you should immediately see your newly installed Python version pop right up on your screen. So let's connect this all to Visual Studio Code. Open up your VS Code editor and press Ctrl-Shift-X on your keyboard to open the Extensions tab on the left side. In the search bar at the very top, simply type Python. You're looking for the primary extension published by Microsoft. Go ahead and click that Install button. While you're still in the Extensions tab, I highly recommend searching for the Python Extension Pack by Don Jayamane. Installing this pack is a huge time saver because it adds awesome extra features like AI-based code completion and much better syntax highlighting. Finally, to make sure VS Code is talking to the correct Python version you just downloaded, press Ctrl-Shift-P to open your command palette. Type Python, space, select interpreter, and hit enter. VS Code will show you a list, and you can simply click on the Python version you installed earlier to link everything perfectly together. And that's it. You are fully set up and ready to write Python. If this step-by-step guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of your very first Python project is going to be, and I'll catch you in the next one.